So over here, you can see that I am in the content section of my YouTube studio, and you can see all of the videos that I have uploaded. So even after your video is uploaded in YouTube, you can still make changes to it by using the editor feature inside of the YouTube studio. So to do that, you can see that I have a video right here. So I'm going to go around and click on the details button right here. And once I do that, on the left side, you can see editor is an option. So once you go around over here, then what happens is that you can go around, click on the started button to access the editor. So you can see the timeline right here, and you see the video right here, as you can see, for what is uploaded right here. So the first option right here is trim and cut, as you can see, and that is what we are going to focus on this particular lesson. So let's say you want to zoom in on the timeline, so you can go around, zoom in and out of the timeline over here as well to see more sections. So on the editor, you can see that right now this portion is considered as 1 second, but as soon as I use the zoom option, then what happens is that more of the area is considered 1 second right here. So you can use this feature to be more precise. So over here, what I want to do is, let's say I want to cut out the beginning portion of the video where the animation is. In that case, you can go around, click on trim and cut right here. And then what happens is that you get this option, and you can go around, trim out the beginning part of the video just like this, as you can see. So you can go around, trim out the part right here, and that is what you have. You can also preview out the video to see how that actually looks right here, just like this. So you can also go around over here, add in a new cut over here, just like this. And let's say trim out a part that you don't like, as you can see. So let's say I don't want to include this footage right here. So from this area right here, you can click right here to see from where you want to cut it. So let's say you just want this footage right here, and then after that, let's say you do not want the mountain footage, so you just want this footage directly. So you can go around, add in a cut over here as well. You can cut it out and that portion won't be there anymore. Let me just go around, click on the preview button, and you can see that there's the wave right here. And then after the timeline reaches here, it directly starts from over here. So even after the video is uploaded, as you can see right here, you can make changes to this. You cannot replace this out with another video that you have edited, but you can still make changes out to the video that you have right here, as you can see. But here it says the video will be too short to have an end screen, so it is not actually allowing me to do this edit. So let me just go around onto the cut itself right here, and then change out the lengths like this, and this is what you have. Let me just press the check mark right here, and I'm just going to go around, get that out over here just like this as well. So not every changes are accepted because the end screen won't be available once you do that. So you can see that this is what you have, as you can see, and then you can go around and make around the changes as per how you like, just by using the editor, and you can click the save button. But in my case, there is less amount of footage right here already, and that is why you're not seeing that those portions out right here. So once you press the save button, the video will be processed, and after a while, it'll be published out. And that is how you can trim out the uploaded video clips inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.